परम गुरु पाठशाला इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल सहरसा. Hi friends, I myself Suresh Parmar, class 3, subject name Maths, unit number 2, Fun with numbers. Topics covered. In this video, I will include only the introduction of numbers. Now my first topic is, what is numbers? So we know that what is number because in a previous standard, first and second, we already learn about the different numbers. Okay. Here one definition for number is given. A number is a mathematical object used to count, to measure and label. The original examples are the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So on. Okay. Numbers 0 to 9 are used to form more than one digit number. We know that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. These numbers are called natural numbers, and with the help of these numbers we can easily make different 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit numbers. Okay. For example, 27, 98, 105, 259, 1000, etc. Okay. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. These are the natural number, and it is also a one digit number. The smallest one digit number is 1, and the greatest one digit number is 9. Okay. Now one exercise for you. This is our previous knowledge checking video. That's why I will take here some exercises from standard first and second. Okay. See, first one, write the numbers names of the following. First one, the number 2 and 7, it is called 27. And how to write 27? Yes, very good. T W E N T Y 27 SEVEN. Okay, so this is the spelling of 27. Understood? Yes or no? Very good. Now my second number is 9494. How to write 94? Yes, very good. N I N E T Y F O U R. NINETY 90, FOUR 4. 94. Now third number is 58. Very good. Yes, how to write it? F I F T Y 50. O N E. Sorry. 58. Very good. E 58. How to write 58? Yes, F-I-F T-Y 50. Then after spelling of 8, 58. Okay. Now my fourth number is, which number is this? Yes, look at it, has 3-digit number. Which number is this? Yes, 100. So we write 100 for it. O-N-E. 1 is on 100 place. Then H-U-N-D-R-E-T. Okay, 100. Okay, my second question is, write the numbers for the following words. Write the numbers for the following words. See, the first number is 68. So how to write 68 in numbers? Yes, 60 means 6, then 8, 68. Then second number 85. Who want to write here 85? Yes, tell me. Very good. 8, 5, 85. Now third number is 142. 1 is on 100 place. Then after 42, 142. Fourth number is 777. 7 is on 100 place, 7 is on 10th place, and 7 is on 1st place. So it is 777. Okay, understood? Now we learn the place value with the help of abacus line. See, this is an abacus 1 and 2. There are two examples of abacus line is given. Abacus is used to represent the place value of numbers. See, here there are 3 lines is given on the abacus. Okay, and the place value of the place O-T-H is given. O means 1st place, T means 10th place, and H means 100 place. So here in 1st place there is only 1 bead is given. Okay, so the number is 1. In the 10th place there are 3 beads is given, so it is 3 number. In the 100 place there are 2 beads is given, so it is 2 in the 100 place. So the number formed with the help of the first abacus is 231. Okay, and the place value of 1 is on 1st place. That's why the place value of 1 is also 1. 3 is on 10th place. 3 is on 10th place. So 3 10ja. The place value of 3 is 30. And 2 is on 100 place. Okay. So the place value of 2 is 200. Understood? So this is the place value with the help of abacus line. Okay. Now my second example is also like the first. See, it also has 4 ones 4 bits on tens and 3 bits on hundred place. So here the place value of 4 bits is only 4. The place value of another 4 tens is 40, and the place value of 100 place is 300. Okay, so this is the place value system with the help of abacus lines. 300 plus 40 plus 4, and we also can say that it is called an expanded form. Now my first question is, write the place value of underlined digit. Here look at the pictures. Some numbers are given with underline. Okay, so you have to write the place value of that number. Okay, in the first blank, first number, the underline number is 5 in 457. So what is the place value of 5? Yes, we write 5, and 7, only 7 is in the ones place, so we write 0 for it. So the place value of 5 is 50. Okay, then 164, 1 is the underlined number. So here 1 is stand on ones, tens and hundred place. So the place value of 1 is 100. My next number is 823. Can you tell me the place value of 3? Yes, very good, because 3 is stand on ones place, so the place value of 3 is only 3. Can you tell me the place value of 0 in fourth number? Yes, because the place value of 0 is always 0 in any place of the number. Understood? Okay. My second question is, write in expanded and reduced form. Write the numbers in expanded and reduced form. See, here the numbers given 1, 2, 3, you have write the expanded form it, and in the 4, 5 and 6 the expanded form given, so you have to convert it into reduced form. Okay, my first number is 84. So how to write in expanded form? Yes, we write the value of the place. 8 is on tens place, so the value of 8 is 80, plus the value of 4 is 4. Now second, yes, 3 is on 100 place, so it is 300, plus 0 is 0 and 6. Very good. Now the third number is, who want to write here? Yes, tell me how to write the expanded form of 198. Yes, 100 plus 90 plus 8. Okay, so this is the expanded form of the number. Understood? Okay, now expanded form is given. Look at the expanded form. You have to convert it into reduced form, yani short form. Okay, first one, 500 plus 60 plus 8. So how to write the place reduced form of 500? So 5, 6, 8. Okay, Then after 700, so look at the number carefully, fifth number. Here 7 is on 100 place. In the next tens place is not given. See, only ones place is given. So you write 0 for tens place and then last the ones place. Okay. Then after last number is 900. 9 is on 100 place. 30 yani 3 is on tens place. Here ones place is not given, so we write 0 for 8. Understood? Okay. Now my next topic is predecessor and successor. Okay. Predecessor means we can say that it before a number, and successor means after number. Okay. We already done this in previous standard, but we revise it in this class before starting our chapter. First one, write the successor. See, first one 4 and 5. Here the tens place is 4, so you change only the ones place. 4, 5 after 6. In successor number you have to change only the ones place, only the ones place of the number. 70, so 0 after 1, so 71. 89, so 89 after 90. Okay. 95, so it is 96. 269, so it is 270. If the last place is 9, then we take two numbers, 69, so 69 after 70, 89 after 90, like that. 133, so 134. Understood? Okay, very good. Now write the predecessor. Predecessor means before number. In before number you have to write the before number of underline digit. In a before number, in a predecessor, 0 before we write 9 and we change the tens place. Okay. Now first one 92. Here 9 we write in a same place, but we change only the 2. Okay, 2 before. Yes, very good. So it is 91 is the before number of predecessor number of 92. 70. Yes, we write 9 for 0 and write the before number of 7. 7 before 6. Very good. Now 1 before, so 1 before always we write 0, so it is 60. 1 7. 6 before 5. 9 before 8. 5 before 4. 8 4. Understood? Okay, so this is the predecessor and successor of a number. Use greater than, less than or is equal to. We compare the number with the help of their place value. See, here the ones place is 6, here the ones place is 4, but here the one's tens place is 4 and here the tens place is 6. So we compare the tens place 4 and 6. So which one is greater? Yes. So we can say that 46 is smaller than 64 and 64 is greater than 46. Now here also the tens place is different. Okay, 7 is greater than 6. 3 8 38, 1 4 14. So 38 3 is always greater than 1. Then if the both number are same, then we use is equal to 502 and 495. So 100 place are different, so we compare 100 place here. Which one is greater, 5 or 4? Yes, 5 is greater than 4. 123 and 231. Here also the 100 place is different. 2 is greater than 1. So the place value of it is greater than 231 is greater than 123. Arrange in ascending order and descending order. 95, 48, 79, 20 and 99. We know that what is ascending order. So ascending order means small to big. What? Small to big. So we arrange the number from small to big. See, 20, 20, then after which tens is smaller? 4, 48, then after 79. If both the tens are same 9 9, then you have to compare the ones place. Okay, see, here 5 is smaller than 9, so we write 95 first and then 99. Okay, now if you want to convert it into descending order, so write the number in bigger to smaller. So first we write bigger number 99, then 95, then 79, then 48, then 20. Understood? So this is the ascending and descending order of the number. Now circle the smallest number and circle the greatest number. Look at the first one, 25, 51, 86, 95 and 58. Now tell me which one is the smallest number of the given number? Yes, very good, because 25 has the 2 in the tens place and it is the smaller than the other tens. That's why it is the smallest number. Okay, now 2, 3 and 4 number, it is from your home. Okay, now circle the greatest number. See, In the first one, 9, 6, 8, 5, 3. 9, 6, 8, 5 and 3. In the tens place is given. In this tens place, the 9 is greater than the other. Okay, so 96 is the greatest number in the following. Okay, now 2, 3 and 4, it is from your home. Compare and write circle on the greatest or smallest number. Understood? Even and odd numbers. Now what is even number? So the definition of even number is given. The number end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are called even number. For example, 20. See the underlined number. 20, 16, 68, 84, 92. Look at the underlined digit 0, 6, 8, 4 and 2. Okay, so these numbers are called even number. Then odd number. The number end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are called odd number. For example, 11, 33, 55, 77 and 99, etc. Look at the underline number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So these are odd number. Now with the help of above exercise, you have to give me the answer of the following number. First one, write even and odd for the following. 45. See, in this number 5 is in the ones place, so it is odd number. Now second, it is even or odd in the second? Yes, very good, because 0 in the ones place, that's why it is even number. Now third number is 38. Can you tell me it is even or odd? Yes, because 8 is on the ones place, that's why it is also even. Then 53. Can you tell me it is even or odd? Yes, very good. It is odd because 3 is in the ones place. Next number is 5 number. 4. 4 is in the tens place, ones place. So the place value of 4, it is even number, and the sixth number is last number 62. It has 2 in the ones place, so it is also an even number. Understood? Very good. Okay, thank you.